A beauty brand called UJV Beauty reached out to me and they sent me this product and asked me to try this out. I will be unboxing it for you guys. Have you heard of UJV Beauty? If you are in Germany, you've not heard of UJV Beauty, that means you're missing a lot. It's a black owned company. She has a lot for you guys. Skincare, makeup, just name it. And to know your skin type, they have it. So you don't have to worry about your skin type. Here is the parcel, okay? This is how it came, and we are going to be unboxing this. Okay, I have my scissors here, and this is how it came. Wow! Look at it, guys. You see, this is what UJV Beauty sent to me. If you're in Germany, you're missing a lot if you're not looking for this very brand. This one is makeup brushes. Okay, that's how it came. Thank you, UJV. This is so beautiful. I love this already. And this is just a pouch in which you can put the brushes inside. So you can see that UJV Beauty. Every woman is, I'm telling you, every woman is beautiful. So girl, this is beautiful. Oh, I love this. This is for your hair bonnet. This is hair bonnet, and it's written UJV. UJV setting spray. This is eyeliner also. Concealer, like a lip liner. This one, like a lip liner. You can see. Oh, this is beautiful. This one is fixing powder. This is Bake Fixer powder from UJV. This is aloe vera and pomegranate moisturizing primer. You have to moisturize your face first, okay? Very, very important. This is beautiful already. You can see it's super beautiful. This one is the long-lasting makeup hold. You can see how beautiful that is. Wow, it smells so nice. It's the foundation. All right, so let's see if this foundation will suit my skin. Oh my goodness. UJV, what did you do? What did you do? My goodness. You guys should not sleep on it. Can you see it? Material from her? A contour. Kind of contour. Wow. Just gonna get yours. You don't have any excuse. Don't say, I don't know which one is my shade. I don't know which one to go for. UJV got you covered. UJV Beauty got you covered. Long-lasting mascara. What's this stuff? Look at the breather. Look at the brush. Did you see the brush? Look at the way the brush is. Perfect. Blush palette. This shades here, right here, they are beautiful. Beautiful shade. I love these shades. Let me just try it on the back of my palm. Did you see that? Did you see the pigmentation? A whole set of cosmetics is giving me that vibe. This is beautiful. Just look at the shades. They have gold. They have yellow. They have blue, light blue, deep blue, green, purple, orange, light green, dark. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful already. I'm gonna try the green one. I love green. Let me try the green one. This is super pigmented. Look at it. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate it. This is beautiful and I'm loving it, and I'm going to use this and do my makeup. So this is a complete makeup brand from UJV's Beauty. I love you. Thank you.